My mom is 89 now. She's been living with me for the past 2 years, and every morning with her feels the same in the best, coziest way. Around 7:30, I hear her get up. She softly mutters something to her ancient cat while pouring food into the bowl. Then she makes herself breakfast and heads out to the sunny porch with a cup of coffee to slowly wake up to life, as she likes to say. Then her version of a workout begins. She grabs a mop and goes through the whole house. Says it beats any gym. After that, she might cook, tidy up, or do a few stretches, depends on her mood that day. After lunch, she switches into what I call her beauty and lifestyle mode. Every day there's some kind of new ritual, creams, masks, little routines she treats like a ceremony. Then she dives into her massive wardrobe, pulling out hidden treasures. Some she gives to me, some she donates, and some she sells like a true business queen. I tease her, "Mom, you could invest that money and be living in luxury." She just laughs. "I'm already living just fine. And anyway, all of this will be yours someday. Your sister has no taste. What would she do with all this beauty?" 5 times a week, we power through our 3-mile walks by the lake, her favorite ritual. Once a month, she hosts her legendary girls' nights. She reads a lot, browses through my bookshelves, and talks on the phone every day with my aunt, who's 91, lives in San Diego, still works as an accountant, yes, really, and flies out to visit us twice a year. Her latest love is the tablet I gave her for Christmas. She reads about her favorite authors, follows the news, watches opera, ballet, anything she can find. Sometimes late at night, I'll hear her sigh to herself. I really should go to bed, but Pavarotti just came on YouTube. How am I supposed to turn that off? She and my aunt must have won the genetic lottery. But my mom, as always, complains I look terrible, and I just laugh. "Mom, at your age, most people are already checking in with heaven's front desk."